ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን ውድ የዲጂታል ቲዩብ ቤተሰቦች ሰላማችሁ በያላችሁበት ይብዛ። በተለያዩ ጊዜ የኤችኤንኤስ እና የዳታቤዝ ጥያቄዎችን በፕራክቲካል እና በቲዮሪ በሁለቱም የሆሊስቲኩን ስሰራ ቆይቻለሁኝ። በዛሬው ዕለት ደግሞ በእናንተ ጥያቄ መሰረት እና ኮመንት መሰረት የኤችኤንኤስ ሌቭል 1 እስከ 4 ድረስ ያሉትን በቲዮሪ ጥያቄ ለማድረስ ነውኝ። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄው እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የምናደርገው ምንድን ነው? ለእናንተ እየሰራን ማለት ነው እንሄዳለን። ስለዚህ መጨረሻ ላይ መልሱን ከያዛችሁ እና ከሰራችሁ በኋላ የራሳችሁን መልስ እና ትክክለኛ መልሱን ኮምፔር ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደምትመለከቱት ጥያቄው ሊይዛቸው የሚችላቸው ነገሮች እነዚህን ኔትወርክ ኮምፒተንሲ ከቨር የሚያደርግ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ከሌቭል 1 እስከ ሌቭል 4 ድረስ ያሉ ኔትወርክ ኮምፒተንሲ ከቨር ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አጠቃላይ ጥያቄው 80 ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ 80ውን ጥያቄ በሙሉ እያነበብኩ ለእናንተ እነግራችኋለሁኝ። እናንተም እያነበባችሁ ትከታተላላችሁ። ዘንድ መጨረሻ ላይ መልሱን ይዛችሁ ከትክክለኛ መልሱ ጋር ኮምፔር በማድረግ የእናንተን ፐርፎርማንስ ማወዳደር እና መገመት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደምትመለከቱት የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ሜን ፐርፐዝ ኦፍ ኮምፒውተር ይላል። ኤ ቱ ፕላይ ጌምስ፣ ቢ ቱ ስቶር ሪትራይቭ ኤንድ ፕሮሰስ ዳታ፣ ቱ ሴንድ ኢሜልስ፣ ቱ ኮኔክት ቱ ዘ ኢንተርኔትስ የሚል ጥያቄ አለ ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ which one of the following is important for writing effective technical documents? A. Identify your audiences and goal. B. To create plans and outline. C. To build technical documentation templates. D. All. ሶስተኛ which attribute define the types of file or directory to prevent data from being lost or modified? A. Read only. B. Hidden. C. Archive. D. Systems. አራተኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is a primary responsibility of network administrators? A. Designing marketing strategy. B. Implementing security programs using hardware and software. C. Selling networks hardware to clients. D. Writing software application for accounting. አምስተኛ ጥያቄ which one of the following best describes threats in a system security? A. Users trying to log in. B. A program within potential to cause system damage. C. Routine software updates. D. A normal network configurations. ስድስተኛው ጥያቄ what is the main purpose of disaster recovery plan? A. To increase company profits. B. To secure customer feedback. C. To ensure business continuity during and after disaster. D. To improve software performance. Which multiple access techniques is used by IEEE 802.11 stands for wireless LANs? A. ALOHA. C. CDMA. D. EVDO. D. SMA as CA. ስምንተኛው remote user company that are able to access internal or operate network resources from remote sites. Which one of the following is most likely required to enable this access? A. SMTP, Small Mail Transfer Protocol. B. HTTP. C. VPN. D. UOB3. ዘጠነኛው remote user company that is unable to access internal cooperate network resources from the remote sites. The users state that he can't access the local resources. What is your primary advice to solve these problems? A. Check whether he can ping successfully to the default gateway. Ping in the sense it is command ማለት ነው። B. Checking whether the NIC is functional. C. Check subnet masks of the host computer setting. D. Check TCP/IP status of his computers. አስረኛ what is the ergonomics in the workplaces? A. The science of keyboard layouts. B. A method of connecting peripherals. C. The study of efficiency, comfort, and safety at work. D. A keyboard short for Control plus E. 11ኛው in network troubleshooting what do the ping commands do? A tests connectivity to a specific IP address. B measures network speed. C analyzes data packets. D configure network settings. 12ኛ what is the purpose of ARP protocols? A to resolve IP address to MAC address. B to facilitate file transfers. C to manage network device. D to provide error detections. 13ኛ which class of IP address provides the largest number of host address per network? A class C, B class D, C class C, D class D. 14ኛ the CIA threat in network security includes A confidentiality, integrity, availability. B cost integrity access. C control inspection and authentication. D confidentiality inspection authorizations. 15ኛው ጥያቄ which cable type is immune to EMI and use light pulses? A UTP, C coaxial, C STP, D fiber optic. Which device operates as the network edge to block DDoS attacks? A DDNA server, B load balancer, D anti-DDoS appliance, D DHCP server. 17ኛ which OSI layers handles routing? A transport layer, B network layer, D data link layer, C data link layer, D session layers. 18ኛ which is a cloud-based email services? A Microsoft Exchange server, B Amazon's SES, C OpenSMTP, D Oracle Beaver. 19ኛ which access levels allow system configuration changes? A guest, B standard, C administrator, D limited. 20ኛው ጥያቄ which one of the following is the first step in solving computer related problems? A repair the hardware, B reinstall the operating system, C identify and define the problem, D reply the power supplies. 21ኛ what is the common method for measuring training outcomes? Guessing the impacts of the training, comparing actual results within planned objectives, D C discarding all training data, D only focusing on immediate reactions for training. 22ኛ which one of the following is one of the most important steps in the PDCA cycles? A check, B do, B act, D accept A. Which is the purpose of default gateway in network configurations? A to provide secure connection, B to transmit domain names to a IP address, C to remote traffic between different network, to route traffic between different network, D to assign IP address dynamically. 24ኛ which one of the following the subnet masks would provide the largest number of subnets? A this one, B this one, C this one, D this ones. 25ኛ እዚህ ጋር ረዘም የሚል እና ኬስ ስተዲ ስለሆነ በደንብ ማንበብና አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ይጠይቃል ማለት ነው። A user has forgotten his or her passwords and attempted to log in several times with an incorrect password. Eventually, the user receives a logon message indicating that the account is either disabled or logged out. The message suggests that the users contact an administrator. What must you do? A. Unlock the user's object. B. Rename the user object. C. Delete the user object and recreate it. D. Enable the user's objects. 26ኛ what is the purpose of IP address in computer networks? A. To identify the manufacturers of the device. C. To uniquely identify a device on a network. D. To determine the physical location of the device. D. To encrypt data transmit over the network. 27ኛ which one of the following OSI layers is responsible for establishing connection between two devices? A. Transport, B. Network, C. Session, D. Data link layer. 28ኛ which one of the following is the correct syntax ping the reachability of a network? Ping underscore then IP address, B backslash then IP address ping, C ping space IP address, D ping minus IP address. 29ኛ in which layer are logically addressed and names translated into physical addresses and data is organized into packets? A. Data link layer, B. Transport layer, C. Physical layer, D. Network layer. 30ኛ which one is the software related problem symptom? This one strings or pocab.dl files instance file name .dl የሚሉ ፋይል ኔም ታይፖች B log deep sounds, C overheating CPU, D no disable screens, no display on screen. 31ኛ what is the primary function of server operating systems? A. To manage files on local computers, B. To operate client server architecture, C. To provide graphical user interface, D. To run application and personal computers. 32ኛ which one of the following is a key features of Active Directory? It only stores files, B. It manages network resource, C. It is a type of hardware, D. It is used for video editing. 33ኛ replacement of products with a newer version of the same products. Replacement of a product with a newer versions of the same products. What you call it? A. Upgrading, B. Update, C. Install, D. Download. 34ኛ which one of the following is a benefit of using an information repository? A. Increasing data growth, B. Improved data quality and consistency, C. Limited data access, D. Decreased collaboration. 35ኛ which information gathering technique involves directly observing and documenting behaviors or process? A. Survey and dictionary, B. Document analyze, C. Observation, D. Internet research. 36ኛ what is the purpose of dynamic host configuration protocol or DHCP? A. Monitoring network performance, B. Assigning IP address automatically, C. Transferring file between computers, D. Providing remote command line access. 37ኛ what is the primary purpose of a user account in Windows? To manage the operating system default language, to define the actions a user can perform in Windows, D. To install new hardware drivers, D. To manage network connectivity for all devices. 38ኛ in one-to-one many relationships. In one-to-many relationship, one side is blank and the many side is blank. A. Child and parent, B. Parent child, C. Brother sister, D. Father son. 39ኛ logical GPO or group policy object settings are stored in what folder of a computer? System roots, system 32, drivers, group policy, system roots, system 32, group policy, system roots, system 32, drivers, etc, group policy, system roots, system group policy. 40ኛ ጥያቄ what is the primary reason for grounding electrical equipments? What is the primary reason for grounding electrical equipments? A. To reduce filter, B. To comply with breeding, C. To ensure equipment warranty, D. To prevent electrical shock or fires. Which protocol is commonly used for secure web browsing? Which protocol is commonly used for secure web browsing? A. HTTP, B. FTP, C. HTTPS, D. ቴልኔት 42 ይህም ረዘም የሚል ጥያቄ ስለሆነ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ማንበብ ይጠብቅባችኋል። Administrators for a company domain used to subdivide groups in organization with an active directory. If he wanted to separate sales from marketing department, what could he use as a system of organizing this subdivision? A. Creating organization with B. Use user and group. D. Create sites and subsite grouping. D. Building containers in a subnet group. 43. Which one of the following safety item is different from the other? Anti-static burst, UPS, surge arrest, D. Stabilizer. 44ኛ A system administrator wants to remote domain control for a domain. Which is the easiest way to perform the task? A. Reinstall servers over existing installations and make the machine member of the group. B. Use remove command. C. Use Active Directory installation wizard to remove domain controller. D. Reinstall server over existing installation and make machine is a member of domain. 44ኛ 45 Which one of the following is categorized in richest channel in conveying information effectively? Face-to-face communication, B. Posted notices and bulletins, D. AC telephone, D. email. Which topology the workstation goes down? It does not affect the entire networks. Which topology the workstation goes down? It does not affect the entire networks. Star, B pass, C ring, D straight lines. Which one of the following term describes the loss of signal strength as it travels through a medium? A. Chatter, B. crosstalk, C. attenuation, D. EMI. What is the correct bottom-up data flow in OSI models? A. Bits, frame, packet, segment, message. B. Bits, packet, frame, segment, message. C. Frame, bits, packet, segment, message. D. Bit, frame, packet, message, segment. 49ኛ Which protocol is used for sending emails? Which protocol is used for sending emails? A. POP3, B. SMTP, C. IMAP, D. SNMP. 50ኛ A system administrator wants to allow a group of users to add a computer accounts to a specific organizational unit or OU. What is the easiest way to grant only the required permissions? A. Delegates control of a user account. B. Delegate control at the domain level. C. Delegate control of an OU. D. Delegate control of a computer accounts. 51ኛ If a network user cannot access the server because he or she forgets his or her usernames, what type of error is it? A. Login procedure, B. Power switches, C. Link error, D. Operator error. 52ኛ Which types of server is responsible for handling incoming and outgoing electronic mail? File server, web server, mail server, database server. 53ኛ What is the general objective when making system changes? What is the general objective when making system changes? A. To increase system complexity. B. To ensure the system remains is secure. C. To maintain system capability and reliability. D. To disable user accounts permanently. 54ኛ there are 1,000 employees in the entire company at present, and the company is experiencing growth. Additionally, some of the information that will be sent over the network is confidential. Which network type would be most appropriate in these situations? A. Peer-to-peer. B. Standalone computer. C. Workstation. D. Server-based. 55 You are a network administrators in your offices. You have 255 255 255 224 ሳብኔት the last ሳብኔት bit 224 What is the maximum number of IP address that can be assigned to hosts on a local subnet that uses this subnet? A 15 B 30 C 16 D 14 56 A computer cannot communicate with any of the computer on a different network segment. It has no problem connecting to other computers that is located on its own network segments. The IP address parameters that is possibly incorrectly on a computer. A. DNS server. B. Default gateway. C. IP address. D. subnet mask. 57ኛ What mean knowledge, skill, and abilities? A. Internet speed and connectivity type. B. Hardware, brand, and models. C. Know, perform, do naturally. D. Budgeting, saving, interesting. 58ኛ A user has forgotten his or her password and attempted to log in several times with incorrect passwords. Eventually, the user receives a login message indicating that the account is either disabled or logged out. The messages suggest that the users contact an administrator. What must you do? Unlock the user's object, delete this user object, recreate it, rename the user's object, enable the user's object. 59 What is the first step in the incident message process? A. Login the incident. B. Authenticate the user. C. Receive the incident. B. Prioritize his incidents. 60 What is the key benefit of having well-documented procedure in an organization? A. Ensures personal preference dominates work process. B. Helps ensures compliance within law and regulation. C. Eliminates the need for training new employees. D. Guarantees immediate financial growth. 61 Policies and procedures are primarily designed to A. Create a flexible network environment without rule. B. Support organizations' growth and manage risks. C. Replace the need for provision. D. Serve as a market tool for customers. 62 What is the primary function of a business requirement document in complex projects? A. To detail the marketing strategy for the product. B. To define what needs to be done or altered to meet a business object. C. To outline the historical context of the project. D. To list all the software bugs identified during testing. 63 Was the first step in incident responses procedures as outlined in the documents? A. Containment. C. Reduction. C. Preparation. D. Recovery. Which characteristics ensures components work toward the same undefined goals despite unique functions? A. Organization. B. Interdependency. C. Integration. D. Central object. 65 Subnetting a Class C networks 2004 17 5 0/28 creates how many usable subnets? A 8, B 16, C 14, D 30. What is a case-based practice for wireless network security related to router access? Prevent unauthorized individual from gaining access to the network. A. Enabling UPnP. D. Disabling remote administration. C. Broadcasting SSID. D. Using current passwords. 67 What is the primary purpose of disaster recovery plans? To create a list of all network users, to outline procedure for recovering from major description and restoring business operation. C. To monitor daily network traffic. D. To install new network hardware. 68 Which one of the following is a common method for performing diagnostic tests on a network? Physically connecting all network cables. B. Using network monitoring to like ping and threshold. C. Changing the operating system language. D. Deleting system logos. What should be regularly monitored to ensure optimal network performance? A. The color scheme of the user interface. B. Performance indicators such as bandwidth, utilization, latency, and packet loss. C. The number of installed applications. D. The amount of free disk spaces on a client machines. What is the initial step in the network security design process according to the document? A. Deploying security measures. B. Defining the scope and objectives. C. Auditing existing security system. D. Training end users on security protocols. And which one of the following is an example of threat on a network security? A. Strong password policy. B. An external attack for a hacker. B. Regular security auditors. D. A well-configured firewalls. What is the main purpose of risk assessment in network security designs? A. To design network topology. B. To monitor user activity. C. To identify potential threats. D. To configure VPN. 73 Documented plans outlining role during a network incident is called a document plan outlining rules during a network incident is called A. Policy framework. B. Backup policy. C. Incident response plan. D. System design chart. 74 What is the first step in gathering network requirements during wireless LAN designs? What is the first step in gathering network requirements during wireless LAN designs? A. Define technical goals. B. Identify planned network application and services. C. Determine organization constraints. D. Assess the scope of the design projects. 75 What is the purpose of developing security policy? A. What is the to complicate network access for legitimate users. B. To provide guidelines and rules for maintaining a secure environment and user behavior. C. To redomain randomly change network configuration. D. To prevent any system update. 76 which type of network layout offers strong redundancy and reliability but is difficult to implement due to its complexity? Ring topology, bus topology, mesh topology, star topology. 77 What is documentation important in the incident response process? Why is documentation improvement in the incident response process? A. To make the process longer and more complicated. To maintain detailed record of audit activity and provides historical record of incidents. C. To ensure confidential information within unauthorized individuals. D. Not to take responsibility for security issues. 78 What is the main objective of a service level agreement? A. To list all the employees in an organization. B. To outline daily operational tasks. B. To define the level of service level to a client. D. To track personal vacation daily. 79 Which term refers the combined hardware and software systems that are vital for functioning of the internet? A. Network infrastructure. B. Domain name. C. Authentication. D. Web hosting. 80ኛው እና የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ማለት ነው። What is the crucial steps after identifying and examining maintenance options? A. Immediately implementing the first option considered. B. Negotiating the maintenance strategy with the client. B. Deleting all old maintenance records. D. Purchase new unnecessary equipment. እንደምትመለከቷቸው እነዚህ አጠቃላይ 80ዎቹ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው ማለት ነው። እነዚህ 80 ጥያቄዎች በሲኦሲ ላይ ትልቅ ተጽዕኖ ያላቸው ሲኦሲውን ሊያግዙ የሚችሉ ከሌቭል 1 እስከ 4 ድረስ እያንዳንዱን ኮርስ ከኮመን እስከ ሜጀር ኮርስ ድረስ ተች ያደረጉ ሆሊስቲኩን ቤዝድ አድርጎ የመጣ ጥያቄ ስለሆኑ እናንተ በገባችሁና የእናንተን ፐርፎርማንስ በሚመጥን መልኩ ከሰራችሁ በኋላ አሁን ቀጥዬ ከማሳያችሁ መልስ ጋር ኮምፔር በማድረግ የራሳችሁን ፐርፎርማንስ በማስቀመጥ ያለባችሁን ክፍተት በመሙላት ለሲኦሲ ዝግጁ ለመሆን ብቁ ያደርጋችኋል ብዬ በመገመት ነው ይህንን ወደ እናንተ ያደረስኩት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ጥያቄዎቹ ከመጀመሪያው እስከ መጨረሻው ይህን ይመስላሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ብትማሩባቸውና ብታዩዋቸው ለእናንተ ትክክለኛ የሆነ መረጃ ይሰጣችኋል ብዬ ኤክስፔክት አደርጋለሁኝ። ስለዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ መልሱ ዲስፕላይ ወደ ማድረግ እሄዳለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንደምትመለከቱት መልሱ ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ያው ቱ ስቶርስ ሪትራይቭስ ኤንድ ፕሮሰስ ዳታ ዲኦር እያለ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች እና መልሶች ናቸው፣ የጥያቄው መልሶች ናቸው። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዷን ኮምፔር ኤንድ ኮንትራስት በማድረግ ከእናንተ መልስ ጋር ማገናኘት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ቢ ነው፣ ሁለተኛ ዲ፣ ሶስተኛ ኤ ሪድ ኦንሊ፣ አራተኛ ቢ ኢምፕሊሜንቲንግ ሴኪዩር ፕሮግራምስ፣ አምስተኛ ቢ ኤ ፕሮግራም ዊዝ ፖቴንሻል ቱ ኮዝ ሲስተም ዳሜጅ፣ ስድስተኛ ሲ፣ ሰባተኛ ዲ፣ ስምንተኛ ሲ፣ ዘጠነኛ ኤ፣ አስረኛ ሲ፣ 11 ኤ፣ 12 ኤ፣ 13 ኤ፣ 14 ኤ፣ 15 ዲ፣ 16 ሲ፣ 17 ቢ፣ 18 ቢ፣ 19 ሲ፣ 20ኛው ሲ፣ 21 ቢ፣ 22 ኤ፣ 23 ሲ፣ 24 ዲ፣ 25 ኤ፣ 26 ቢ፣ 27 ሲ፣ 28 ሲ፣ 29 ዲ፣ 30ኛ ኤ፣ 31 ቢ፣ 32 ቢ፣ 33 ኤ፣ 34 ቢ፣ 35 ሲ፣ 5 ሲ፣ 36 ቢ፣ 37 ቢ፣ 38 ቢ 39 ቢ 40ኛ ዲ 41 ሲ 42 ኤ 43 ኤ 44 ሲ 45 ኤ 46 ኤ 47 ቢ 48 ቢ 48 ዲ 49 ቢ 50ኛው ሲ 51 ዲ 52 ሲ 53 ሲ 54 ዲ 55 ዲ 56 ዲ 57 ሲ 57 ኤ 59 ሲ 60ኛ ቢ 61 ቢ 62 ቢ 63 ሲ 64 ሲ 65 ሲ 66 ቢ 67 ቢ 68 ቢ 69 ቢ 70ኛው ቢ 71 ቢ 72 ሲ 73 ሲ 74 ዲ 75 ቢ 76 ሲ 77 ቢ 78 ቢ 79 ኤ እና የመጨረሻው 80ኛ ቢ ሆኖ እነዚህ ጋራ ሪሌትድ የሆነው ጥያቄ ይህን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የእናንተን ራንክ እና ደረጃ ትሰጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በአጠቃላይ መልሳቸው ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እስካሁን ስለተከታተላችሁ ከልብ አመሰግናለሁኝ። ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ኮሜንት እና ሳብስክራይብ በማድረግ እንድትተባበሩ ስል በትህትና እየጠየኩኝ መልካም ውሎ፣ መልካም ምሽት፣ መልካም አዳር